1958 Chevy fenders. Just drove 1,000 miles each way to go get them. Pickup truck wasn't running good enough to make the drive, so I strapped them to the roof of my Camry. I was in these little shit handles. The old man actually said, hook it up like this. The door's actually ratcheted shut, but he connected them on the inside like this. And I might need 2 hands to undo them. A little bit of rust when you're trying to repair. Get the ratcheting straps off. These came from Colorado. A place called Salida. Let's see. It's the one I did. I didn't attach them to each other on the inside. Old man thought it was safer to attach the hooks to each other rather than on the oh shit handles, because yeah, I guess the oh shit handle could have failed in the 1,000-mile drive. I got my 1958 Chevy fenders. Move them into the pickup truck for the next leg of the journey. Actually, move them to the garage to try to clean them up a little.